Okay, let's take the next slide. And probably we're not going to have time for Mr. Webb. You know, I was supposed to just rush through this, but in any case, African American Muslim legacies today. Everybody knows this man, Malcolm X, one of the greatest Americans who ever was. Who is this right here? Ahmed Jamal. The history of Islam among jazz musicians in the United States is also very interesting. Sheikh Dawood of New York City of the 1920s and 1930s and 1940s. I myself met him before he died. Sheikh Dawood was a great jazz musician. He's from the Caribbean, and that's also part of our legacy. A Love Supreme, Coltrane, Pharaoh Sanders also. They have a lot of things about God and the love of God. And of course, everybody knows this man. So this is just to try to put it in context, that this is part of our culture. 30% to 40% of the Muslim American community is African American. And that is a great resource for us. Those are deep roots. And in fact, that has to be part of the foundation of a pan-American Muslim culture.